in a web page. The table is of 3 to 5 and print all the elements what you have read, and table will have negative values as well. Table will have negative value as well. Yeah. Take the question. Take the question and put it in the chat room. I will answer. I will say. I will share. Put it in the chat. System very. Finding all the links. For finding all the links, we use double slash A. Yes, only double slash D. Okay, either you can use double slash DD or double slash table. Okay, double slash D. Okay, remain. Okay, I will get the entire program. I will share it. Okay, put the question in the chat. Number. I was going to work. Actually, my brother-in-law, my cousin's husband got expelled, so I was going there. And he was calling me. He called me and he was same thing he's asking. I told him clearly that if you want to join this group, okay, if you want to attend these classes, I told him clearly that okay, I am not the one who is going to add you. Okay, HR or counselors will be the one who is going to add you. Means to this class. Next 15 bulb purchase. Yeah. Bulb purchase sir. 105. Next some blackage. CUMP blackage. Result rapid result bracket charges is equal to ఎంత సార్ create project, delete project, like that. Okay. Those things will be kept in the exam. Yesterday, how to read the data only because this requires JDBC. Java is not. You should know JDBC, advanced Java, and this is advanced delegation. But still, few people were asking me, I will give at last. One day I will, if possible, I will take on JDBC. But program notes are like one. Yes, and have explained how what is the why we are not why what concept property file will why it is not this concept why it is using hashback concept you know that reason is okay concept tomorrow sorry ಇವ ಇಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ tell me how to take data from the property file. First, you are create an object of file input stream. Okay. Whenever you want to read any data from the okay action resource file, okay, that those things will physical file or an action resource file means for physical file. It is not, Java will not understand those things. Okay? Java will not understand that. So you have to convert to Java object. How to convert by the question. Then there are two methods you have to remember. One is load method, one more is get property. Okay, load method both will take arguments and get property method will take string as an argument. That pass the key. It will give the key value to method. For example, if you give URL, it will give demo.access.com. If I pass user here, it will go to the what? If I pass password, it will go to the package. Okay, and you have to load the file before getting the value. Okay, and both are non-static method present in properties class. So you have to create an object of properties class first, then load the file. After loading the file, okay, then you can call the get property method. Okay, if you pass the key of URL, it will give demo.active.com. If you pass the key of user, then it is going to return what active. Okay, this is what we have done in yesterday's class. Okay, today once again, okay, I will explain how to install the Apache. My Google has put this heading data driven. Okay, data driven from what? Okay, Excel. Okay, data driven from Excel. Now, first step is what? Converting files. Look at this method. Okay, this class, there is a class called file input state class, properties class, and then load method and get property method. Is present in JDK. Okay, in Java library or JDK. Okay, it is present in Java library. Okay, so but that's the reason I can easily solve it, but not automatically. But if I want to get data from this, for an example, I have created yesterday. I have created one more time. Let me show you how to create file. New Excel. Okay, I will create anything. I will give it as test script dot Excel. Okay, let me open this. Let me open it. Give it a click on. Okay, first I will show you how to read it from the Excel. Like how we have done. అది ల్యాప్టాప్ పైన ఫుల్ అయిపోయింది స్టోరేజ్ ఇప్పుడు after that, there is a class called work. There is a class called work factory class. You have to use this. And this is present in Apache Python. Okay, for that you have to download Apache Python. How to download Apache Python? Today, everyone has done it. Go to google.com and just do it. Okay, now I'm going to google.com. Type here Apache Python. Apache Python. And here click on this first link. Then scroll down until you find binary distribution. Here click on this zip file. When everywhere in Selenium we never download .dot. Okay? This is .tf. This is .zip file. Every time we have to download what? Zip file. Always. Don't try to remember the full file name. Okay? No need. Because day by day it will keep on updating. Click on this. Okay? Then click on the first link. First link, click on it. It will start downloading. After downloading, unzip. Okay? Unzip the right click, extract all. Or extract here. You can use either one. Extract all. If you're using the WinRAR, extract file or extract all. Click on extract. Okay, I have already extracted. Okay, I have already extracted it. So open it. Totally here, how many jars are there? Copy all the jars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this folder 2, 6 plus 2, 8. And then in list folder, again 12. Totally 20 jars, copy 20 jars and place it in 20 jars. Like, then add all the jars to the bit. Add 20 jars to the bit. Okay. Then after that, if I do this, I will get access of this plan. What book factory is? What is that plan? Everything is. First step is what? Find an object of find it. Find it. Expand this. Whenever you are reading data from the file, then the Excel file, text file, company file, create an object of find it. That's why we are creating. What is the purpose of creating? But tell me, why we are creating this?
Very good. ఊరికి పోతాంటారా ఊరికి ఊరికి
ఎవడా
రేపు
అదే అది ప్రోగ్రామ్ అయిపోతే
ఏం చెప్పి
ఇంకా 10 రోజులు
మరి
ఫ్లాగ్ అను ఫ్లాగ్ అను ఫ్లాగ్ అంతా ఎన్నకి స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయింది మెటీరియల్ అంతా తేవాలా ఫ్లాగ్ అన్ని కూడా మెసేజ్ చేస్తారు
ఏమేమి
మెటీరియల్ అంటే ఏం లేదు వాయర్ టెంకాయ సామాన్లు టెంకాయ కూడా ఇస్తానే
ఫోటో పెడతారేమో
పెడతాం ఫోటో పెట్టి ప్లాట్ పూల్స్ వెళ్తాము
నేను చెప్పు 10 గంటలకి
ఫోన్ చేస్తాను కదా
1 అవర్ ఉంటుంది కదా
1 అవర్ ఉండే
Security. Controls. Click on add. Okay. Okay, there is a method called load. Instead of loading, here we have a method called create. Okay, their load method for loading the file. Okay, loading the property file here. Instead of loading the file, they will use a term called create. What is the meaning of create? I will tell you. Okay, create. And this is a static method present in for book factory. What kind of method it is? Create method is what? Workbook
factory class.
Present in workbook factory class. Okay, then how to solve it?
Class by class name. Browsing class name.
Dot create. It's like a similar to load only. It don't load. Here pass the define. Which file do you want to load? I want to load this file. This file I want to load. So pass. Okay. What is the create means? Okay. What is the create is why they're using create means instead of load. Load is already there. So they cannot use load. So why they're using create means okay, it is like a one book guys. This Excel is like a one book. Many sheets are there. Here I can click on, you can see a number of sheets. Okay. In book also you have sheets. Here also they have Excel is also sheets. So that's the reason. And also here also in book also in rule book you can see rows and columns. Here also you can see rows and columns. Okay. Whenever you want to read any data from the Excel, first you have to go inside the book. Okay, means okay, then after that go inside the sheet. There will be many sheets in a book. Then go inside the row. After that, go inside the cell. Then get the data. How to do this? See, I will tell you. First, you have to load the file. The loading the file is done. It is throwing exception and throws encrypted document exception. One more exception we got. After loading the file, put the get sheet. You have to give the sheet name. What is the sheet name? I don't know. We'll see that. What is the sheet name? Sheet 1 is capital sheet 1. Give the sheet name. What is the get sheet means? We are going inside the sheet or we are getting the control of the sheet. Okay, after going inside the sheet, use dot get row. I will repeat this note for this. Everything starting from the scratch. Get row done. Here you have to give row number. There are many rows. In which row you want the data?
A
This is
second.
row 0. This is
Row 1.
I want the data. You're going inside the cell. Which cell? There are many cells here. One is the cell. Use this or you can also use two statements. We can also use two statements. Put it in one reference variable called data. Or value you can use anything. One second guys. Let me print it. Then I will repeat.
అంతేనా ఉమ్. One thing I've copied and put it inside the data folder like how we are done it for the property file. Let me copy. ఓకే
Let me give a related one. File not found exception. Sir, sheet S should be capital. One second. Still, I'm not getting. One second. Give me a second. One dot slash data is there. Okay. Okay. Now it has to work. We'll see that. Let me give first is absolute password. Let me give. If it is not working, see, I have given one space. I will tell you what mistake I have done. We'll see whether first we'll see whether it's working.
will work now. See, we'll see that. I have given one extra space from here. Okay, it is working now. I will repeat 1 second. Let me delete this. Then I will come back. What mistake I have done is, I have given after this double quotes, I have given one space extra line. That's the reason it was not working. Okay. Now I have removed that space. Now it's started working. That's the reason I was getting file not found exception. See, if I execute this program, it is going to print HDFC underscore 001. Okay. First, what we are doing, we are loading the file using create needs what actually we are creating needs what we are creating a workbook. Okay. That's the reason they use a word called create. Then go inside the sheet.
Creating your book, okay.
Okay. Get sheet what control of the sheet. Okay. Then get the control of the row, get the control of the cell. Then use get string cell value, or you can also use two string method also you can use. Okay, you can also use two string method. You can also use two string method. Okay, still it will either you can use get string cell value or two string method you can use. See, it is still giving me the same output. Let me repeat starting from this scratch. Okay. So what I have done, I have created one Excel file. It is now. Okay, get the location. Okay, how to get the location of this file? Right click, properties, copy. Then after that, create an object of file input string class. I have done. Then give the path. What is what I had given. I copied and pasted. After that, there is a method called create method. It is similar to load method. In property files, we used to load the file. Here, there is a method called create, okay, which is present in which class? Workbook factory class. Workbook factory class. Workbook factory dot create. It is like a loading the file. Okay, it is like what? Loading it. It will ask you which file you want to load. I want to load this file. Okay, so it is present in FIS, so path FIS. After loading the file, okay, you have to get the control of the sheet by using what? Get sheet. Or going in order to go inside the sheet, I can tell it as sheet 1. In which sheet you want to get the data from sheet 1. Then after that, get the control of the row. Get row means we are going inside the row. Get the control of the row means we are going inside the row. What is the row number? Row number is what? I want the data from this. This is 0, this is 1. So give 1. After going inside the row, you have to go inside the cell now. Or get the control of the cell. Get the row. Then either you can use toString method or you can use get string cell value. Okay, get string cell value. Okay. If I put it in a reference variable called data or anything, then print it on the console. Yes, so control space data. If I execute this program, it is going to print HDFC underscore 00. See? In real time, what we'll do, we never put this sheet one. Instead of that, we'll give the test case. My test case is create customer. So I will give here as create customer. Okay. Create customer, save the file. Here also change. Instead of sheet 1, test case name is what? create customer. I have given the name in sheet name as also create customer. So here also you have to give create customer. Okay, that is one thing. Second thing, we never write it in one line like this. Okay, this is not the standard way of writing the code. Standard way of writing the code is sorry. This is how we go writing code in real time. In real time, first we are going to find basic create method. Okay, what is create means is creating one workbook. So that's the reason return type is what? Workbook. Okay, we are creating one workbook first. Then after creating the workbook, it contains sheets, rows, cells. Okay, by using that workbook, go inside the sheet or get the control of the sheet. Then go inside the row, get the control of the row, or we can call it as get the control of the row. Then go inside the cell. Okay, by using get cell method, which cell you want to go? 0. Okay, then by using get string cell value and the means what? First thing is what? Create one workbook is done. Means we have gone inside the workbook. Then go inside the sheet. What is the sheet name? Create customer. So go inside this sheet. In that row number 1, this is 0, this is 1. Okay, then in the row number 1 there are many cells. This is 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. I want the data from 0 this. I want this. So cell 0, go to the cell 0. Then by using get string cell value, I'm going to read it. Or it is how to read the data from the property class. Let me repeat one more time. Now CF first thing is what? Okay, you have to go inside the sheet. For that, what you are using get sheet. Then go inside the row. For that, you are using get row. After that, go inside the cell. For that, what you are using get cell. Now control came here. After control comes here. Now to read the data, either you can use get string cell value or to string. Okay, or you can also use to string. Anything you can use. Okay, are you guys getting? Okay. First, you have to load the file. Here, there's the property file. We want to load the file. It's a non-static method. Load method. Create method is what? Static method. Present in workbook battery class. Workbook battery dot create. After means what? We are actually creating the workbook. That's the reason. Return type is what? Workbook. Then after going inside R, it is creating workbook means what? We are getting the control of the workbook. Okay, in workbook, go inside the sheet first, then go inside the row, go inside the cell, then get the string cell value. Or you can also use to string method. It is going to print the data. This take on this node. Tell me, are you guys getting? Go to last page of your book first. Take on this exception. Encrypted document exception. This exception is encrypted document exception. Go to last page of your book. Then take on this exception. Encrypted document exception. Tell me which exception. Apache 1. slash Apache Pi slash data. Whenever we try to read the data from the let me put it in the chat room also.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yes, just ask.
Apache is, it can relate it to Apache server networking.
No.
It can relate to networking, sir.
Server is different. This is what? Okay, this is what? This is a jar. It's a collection of classes. It's like a packages. What do you mean by Selenium? One second, yes. Okay, you take it on. I will tell you. One second. Here I will show you. What is this Selenium jar file you tell? One jar file in the beginning we have downloaded the Selenium. What is that jar? What is this jar file?
Selenium server, sir.
Selenium server jar. It is
Selenium server standalone.
It's a jar file. Server standalone jar file. Where is the Selenium? Here. This is the jar files. Okay. Contains what? List of packages. Packages contains list of classes. Classes contains methods. All this method you are using now. In this class, WebDriver, this methods, manage method, window method, access method, get method, this WebDriver interface, where it is in this jar only. Getting same way, in the where this same way, where this method is present, create method, where this class is present, work. Okay, where this spreadsheet, all these are present. This Apache Pi chart. Okay. Getting means what is a field? Field means collection of classes. Go for it. In line number 14, what we are doing? Line number 14. We're converting physical file into Java database. This one. Any file. Is what you have to notice. Okay, you have to tell which file. There can be n number of files. Okay, for that, in which file do you want me to load this properties? You have to load the file. After loading the file, you are using what? Get property method. Same way in Excel, you have to load the file. Okay, how to load the file? By using the create method. Means actually, it is like a loading the file, but here they are using create means it is creating one workbook. Okay, or getting the control of the workbook. They are creating this as a workbook, one book. In book, in normal your book also there are many sheets. Here also there can be many sheets. Create customer is one sheet, sheet 2, sheet 3, like that. It can be Excel means it contains n number of sheets. Okay. So means it is creating one workbook actually in line number 16. After creating or getting the control of the workbook, after that, okay, you have to go inside. You have the book, right? In book there can be n number of sheets. So you have to go to the particular sheet. How to go to particular sheet means by using get sheet method. You tell the sheet name. If you give sheet 2, it will go to sheet 2. Sheet 3 means it will go inside sheet. For me, I have created one sheet called create customer. Normally, in real time, they will create a sheet name as a test case name on the sheet name. So my test case is create customer. So I have created the sheet name as create customer. Same thing you have to give it here. Sheet name you have to give. Then after going inside the sheet, you have to go inside the row. There can be in a sheet, there can be n number of rows, right? In your book also, same way. Go inside the row. After going inside the row, there can be n number of columns. See here like this. Column A, B, C. Actually, ABC means 0, 1, 2, like that. Many columns. So I have to tell which column I should go. After going inside this column, it will control will comes here. Once control is here, okay, read the data. How to read the data? Either by you can use toString method or get string cell value. Anything you can use. After that, at last, printing the data on the console. Okay, this is how we are going to read the data from the Excel. Okay, in real time we use it like this. This is how we are going to read the data. Okay, practice it. Okay, you have to practice this program. 1 or 2 times you write it, you will come. Okay, their mode method is what? Non-static method. Here, create is static. That's the reason we are creating by using what class. Okay, we are calling the create method by using class. After that, get sheet, get row, get cell, then get string cell. Okay, are you guys getting? Okay, now in few companies, few people will also write it. They will not write it. Okay. Here, what we are getting the control of the sheet in one line, then row, then cell. They will do one by one, step by step. They will do it. Okay, step by step they will do it. I will tell you. First, they will get the control of the sheet. How they will get the control of the sheet? WB dot get sheet. What is the sheet name? Create customer. Let me delete this. I think I'll delete it. First thing is they will go inside the sheet. WB dot okay get sheet. What is the sheet name? Create customer. Create customer. Okay, means going inside the sheet. Return type is I don't know. Let's see what is the return type is. The sheet only. Sheet is a class. After going inside the sheet, okay, go inside the a little bit complicated, okay, but still right, this one is easy. You can use any method. I'll show you more ways to read the data. Row number is 1. Return type is row. Then the row dot get cell. Cell is 0. So I'm putting in a reference variable called cell. Then use data equals cell dot get string cell value. Or toString method also you can
you did.
Here, get the control of this cell. Take down this one. First one is the easier one. Try to use that only. Don't go for this class. See this class. Like that, row is a
Easy.
class, cell is a class. Row method return type is row class. Excel return type is cell class, like that. Read the data from this cell. Take on this program. This is another way of writing the it is for this two line question. Cell is common. Instead of cell, you can use row dot get cell dot get string. Then apply code optimization for these three lines. It will come to that zero. That's it. We have applied code optimization to the previous code. That's it. Take it. Okay, if I execute this program, it will give me banking project. See? Because this is 0, this is 1. So it will come here and take this state. Let me give here as SBI underscore something 007. Now I want SBI underscore 007. So I will change it here as 2. If I execute, it will give me what? SBI underscore 001. Okay. Sorry. Just taken this program. Sorry, I should give one more thing. I forgot to tell you. In real time, we never put the file in the desktop. Instead of that, let me copy this file. Let me copy this file and put it inside the data folder, like how we have done it in the last class yesterday. Here, instead of giving full path, we will give what? Relative path. Data slash like this. In both the programs, please put an arrow mark and make a note as this is relative path. In real time, we give like this relative. See, it is not still work. It's 3 underscore 001. See, okay. Actually, it is 0. Please take it 0. Please change this path. Change means you just put okay, it is fine. If it is already taken, fine, just put one arrow mark and then put this path. Okay. In real time, we use this path like that. Okay. Take on this. No. Okay. Amrita Kumari is asking, can I use system.set property? No, we cannot use the system.set property. This is not exe file. That is only for exe. This is what? This is extra resource file. Okay. exe files, we cannot read the exe files. Okay. It has to be executed. That is only for execution purpose. This is for reading. Okay. Instead of that, this would be okay, like this. Let's remove line number. This line is not required now. Now apply code optimization for these two lines. How to apply? Instead of row, put this right side. You know how to apply code optimization. Remove this line. Okay, done. Now, instead of apply code optimization for these two lines, instead of sheet, put wb dot get sheet. Then it will come. Both are. Then remove this line. Then came now. This is what we have done in the last program. Is it what we have done in the last program last time? Okay, both are same. Okay, normally we'll use like this only. wb dot get sheet, get row, get cell, get section. Anything is fine. Okay, if you are trying to put that, it's a little bit complicated. This one. Okay, this one is a little bit complicated. Means you have to remember the return type. Sheet, row, get sheet return type is what sheet class. Get row return type is what row class. Get cell return type is what cell. Okay. Take down this program. Means you can use status. There are three columns. Okay. One is customer name, that is HDFC. Customer description, that is banking project, and status. After the execution, I want to update the status whether the test case is pass or fail. Okay, I want to update the status. I want to write the data back next. Okay, if the test case is fail, I should write here as fail. Okay. If test case is pass, I should write here as pass. Like this, I want to update the data. Okay, now it is pass. How to write the data fail? We will see that once again. Let me close this. Okay. Let me save. One second, let's give me a second. Okay, let me copy this and put it in the data folder. Okay, if I open it, okay, assume that test case is fail. Okay, now I should write here as fail. Okay, I should write it here as fail. Let me show you how to write the data back to Excel. Okay, now please take on the question. Write a program to write the data back to Excel. Question is write a program to write the data back to Excel.
Hello, sir. Repeat the question, sir.
Write a program to write data back to Excel. Write a program to write the data back to Excel. Take the question or else here on the question is there. Take on the question. Write a program here to write the data back to Excel. Then, okay, let me create one class. Let me create a class called write data. Read data is done. Now we'll see what is this write data. I want to read the data. You tell me how to read data. I will just respond. First step is what?
File input.
What? File input string class. File input string. FIS is equal to new file input string. Create an object of file input string class. Okay. Give the path dot slash data slash
test script dot xlx.
create an object of file input stream class. Then call the create method present in workbook factory class. Okay, it's a static method. Call the create method here pass bias. Pulled in on reference variable called WB. Okay, then WB dot tell me how to read data from the Excel. Anyone tell me? I want this data. I want this here. Something pass is there. I want this pass. What is the row number? This is 0. This is 1. So row is 1. What is the cell? 0, 1, 2. Sheet name. What is the sheet name? Create customer. By using this, you tell me. Tell me. Tell me now, anyone. WB dot get sheet. Yes. What is the sheet name? Create customer. Create customer. Done. How going inside the sheet? Next. Get row. Dot row. Dot get row. What is the row? Correct. Next. Get cell. What is the cell? Cell number 2. Cell is. Then dot get string cell value. Okay. Now I don't want to read the data. I want to write the data back to Excel. Okay, I want to write the data back to Excel. For that, what I will do? Tell me, how will you write manually? How will you write it manually? Okay. Double click here. I want to fail the dash case. FAIL. I want to fail. I want to type file in the status column. Okay, so I want to type fail here. I have typed it. Do you think it is going to store it in? Do you think it is going to store it in the RAM in the system? No. As soon as you write, it will not store it in the system.
You want to save it?
When it will store it in the system, whenever it close now, okay, it will ask you just save this. As soon as you click on the save file button, and that time it will store. Okay, here we are just typing. That's it. We have just typed it. Okay, but it is not saving. When in order to save it, okay, either you should click on this save button here, or when you close, before closing, it will ask you save. Then it will save. Okay. In order to click on the save file button and close button, okay, you have to open the Excel. Okay, in readable format. Here you open the Excel. Read mode. You have to open the Excel in write mode. In these two lines, we are opening the Excel in read mode. You have to open the Excel in write mode. How to do that? Here, instead of get string cell value, here you have to use cell value. Set cell value. What value you want to set? I want to fail the test case. I want to type fail in the test case. After that, it is just typing. That's it. We are not saving. How to save the file? We have to open the file. For that, here, save. Okay, done. This. Then after that, you have to save the file. How to save the file? WB dot type. After saving the file, whenever you or whenever you're writing a file, it is mandatory. So, whenever you're reading, no need of closing file, it is up to you. You can close the file or leave it. But whenever you're writing the file, whenever you're writing the data back to file, it is mandatory to close. Okay, if you don't close, it will not write the data. See here now, what is there here? Let me 1 second. Save. See here. 1 second. Go to data folder, then test script data. It will open. Okay, pass will be here. See here, pass is there. Let me close this. Okay, what we are writing here? Fail. In which second? Okay, 0, 1, 2. Third cell we are writing the data in first row. Then from 0, I'll give here 1. Let me execute this. Say execute. If you open the file, you can see fail. Because here we have written fail. So open and check the fail is written out. See here, fail is written. And whenever you are writing the data back there, some data should be there. Okay. Now I want to pass the test. I will give it as pass or pass text. Text is pass. Whatever you want to give, it will write pass text. See if I execute this. Okay. Write the data. Then open it. See, pass text. Whatever you write, it will write. Okay. What we are doing in line number. Okay. In these 2 lines, we are converting external resource file into Java readable format, and it is opening the file in read mode. Okay. Now everything is declared in the same. Then get string cell value here. Here we use what? Set cell value means we are setting the value. We are telling no. Okay. We are telling the axis that we are going to change the value. We are setting the value. Okay. As what fail. Then here in line number 18, what we are doing, open the Excel in write mode. Then here actually it will open. Okay, it will write. It will write this data. It will open the Excel and write this data, and then get saving it. Save. Whenever you save, no, the same actual writing. Then close it. Close the Excel. Close it.
Right and close that. Right and right. Save. Okay.
Are you getting? Take down this program one more time. One more time. 1 second. Give me a second. Don't take it down. I will repeat this. I will explain this as a just take it.
Sir, in line number 18, sir, can I change the sequence of line number 18 like if I wb.getSit, then get cell, then after
No,
get row?
no. Okay. You have to open the file first. Okay. How to open the file? Okay. How to open the file? By using this software. Here is line number from 15 to here. Here we are opening the file. But we are going to that location. We go to this location. means we are going inside the sheet. You should go inside the row.
Row,
You should go inside the cell.
column, cell.
You can read or write. If you are reading the data, just use get cell value, then it is done. If you want to write the data, yes, I got the control, I will write it now. This is what done. Okay, this is what it is done it now. From line number, okay, 15 to here. Okay, first it will what till here what till here what we are doing. We are opening the file in the reading format. Then we are what creating one workbook means we are going inside the book. After going inside the cell, sheet, then go inside the row, go inside the cell. Then we are getting the reading the data by getting cell value. But now I don't want to read it. I want to write. Okay, for that I'm using set cell value. It will write the data. Then why it is required, sir? Then why it is required? You already written. I've already written fail. Then why this is required? For saving the file. It will not write the data. It will just type it. FAIL. That's it. It will leave. Now after typing, you have to save. Click on the save
Control
file.
yes.
For saving the file.
Okay.
Means what? You have to open the file in write mode. Then what? wb.write means clicking on the save button. After that, close the Excel. Because since you are open the file in write mode, it is mandated to close the file. Are you guys getting? Okay, let me repeat one more time. Okay, we are taking around the file into string class. Okay, we will convert what? Physical file to Java readable format, then open the workbook. Okay, then go inside the sheet, inside the book, go inside the sheet, go inside the row, go inside the cell, then type this value, but not save. If you want to save it, okay, actually, why it is not saved? Because not to save, you have to open the file in write mode. Okay, or you can. There is a method called. Okay, there is a method called write. Okay, when a means it will write actual writing happens in this line number, not here. It will just type it. Okay, it will be here. Actual typing happens here and save. Then close it. Close the what? Close the workbook. Whenever you want to write any data, it's mandatory to use what? Not only here, not only this, either in Notepad in Java. I think if you know the file handlings, they would have been done this. File input state, file do we need file input, or file do we need file input. Same thing. Here also, we have one method called write. Are you guys getting? Okay. This one you take it. Don't take this one. I will tell you what is this. Take down this much. Okay, use this single code. Okay, means one example. In Excel, whenever you want to put any data, for example, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you cannot give numbers like this. Okay, you have to give one single code in string. Then you have to connect. See, it will be converting numeric data into string data. Okay. This is one thing. One more thing. Tamanna, go for a minute. See, and whenever you're writing the data back to Excel, okay, some data should be there. I cannot write the data here. Some data you have to keep, like n/a. Some data you have to keep like this. Okay, I have to keep some data, then I can write pass or fail. I cannot simply write pass or fail in blank because there is no null pointer exception. Because whenever it will read the data, it will give null value. I cannot perform any action on the null value. That's the reason. Whenever you want to write the data back, and some data, dummy data should be there. We cannot write the data for empty cell. Okay, that is one. Okay. And here, as I told you, while writing the data back to Excel, specific Excel file should be closed compulsorily. Okay, that is, you should close the Excel file before doing any modification or addition. Okay. Okay, I am done for today, guys. Okay, tomorrow I will continue the class. We'll see tomorrow how to read the data, multiple data. For example, I want to read 100 data, 1000 cells I want to read. 100, yes, you can read 100 data. 20, 30, you can read n number of data. How to read multiple data, we'll see. Today we have learned how to read single data and how to read the data back to Excel, single one. Tomorrow we'll see how to read multiple data. Okay. Okay. If you have any doubts, those people can stay here, others can leave. I am done for today. If you are facing any issues in Selenium, those people stay here, others can leave.
Sir,
Tell me, Priya.
sir, repeat the last one. Ki when we write not applicable.
Means which one? This one? Last line?
No, sir, you said like not applicable, then only we can write pass or fail.
Yes, yes. For example, now I want to write the data here. It is not possible. If you want to write the data, whenever you want to write the data back to Excel, some data should be there. If pass is there, then I can write fail. Okay, for example, nothing is there, sir, here. It is empty. Okay, I cannot write the data. I cannot write pass also, I cannot write fail also. For that, you keep some data. Manually only you do it. Okay.
Why, sir? Why?
Because nothing is there. For example, in this cell, nothing is there. Means what? Null value will be null. We cannot perform any action on the null. It will throw null pointer exception. See, let me delete this, or else let me open this 1 second. Save the file. Null will be stored, guys. See, if I execute the same code, it will throw null pointer exception. One second. Not writing the data. Yes, tell me. Let me go to window.
That means basically we are just replacing the value, right?
Yes, we can only replace the value. Okay. Not replacing. Actually, we are writing only because in Java we don't have solution for writing the data on the empty cell. Means, for example, here it is throwing what null pointer exception. Okay, the reason is one second. One second. One second, guys. See here, null will be there. You are storing null in some value, something called data or anything. I cannot do any operation on the null variable which is holding null value. That's the reason it will throw null point exception. For example, you just put one null value int I equals null. Then you try to print that I, it will throw null point exception. How do you guys get it?
Okay,
Or
sir.
I,
Okay.
if it is not getting also, when I explain page object model, you will on that time also I will tell this. Okay, try to remember this. Okay, in depth I will tell. If it is not getting. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is the question? What was the question? I have mentioned the code. I am getting rows and element exam. Okay, is the right side scroll. 1 second. CSS selector. Are you using unable to locate the element and then CSS selector /D2? Where are you using D2? Go to your program now. What is the D2? Variable D2 driver and find element D2. It is given the exception line number 79. Okay. Open your this frame. This one. Open the text box and inspect. No. Open that this one. Web page. Text box containing text box. Right click inspect this. No, right click inspect. Okay. I came to know that why it is showing error. One second. No need of inspecting. It is correct only. Okay. Why it is throwing exception is you cannot directly find the element. You have to switch and then find out. But if I find what I can store it. No. You have to switch and then only you have to store. You have to go inside, switch. Okay, then only you can store it. Okay. You cannot do directly like this. After switching only you can find the element. Okay, fine. Any other doubts? Okay, before winding up the class.